Good day to all. Today is my first recipe in English. I will share a recipe of a dessert called chak-chak. We need 4 eggs, 300 grams flour, 200 grams almond and walnuts, half teaspoons of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of honey, 1 cup of sugar, 1 liter of oil for frying. Whip eggs with salt and soda. Add flour gradually to make the dough. Leave the dough for 15-20 minutes. Cover with a cling film and a towel. Divide the dough into 2 parts and roll out the dough. Cut the dough into thin noodles, as shown in the video. Preheat the pan. Pour in the oil and fry the noodles for about 2-3 minutes. When the dough is browned, remove it. Put it on a napkin to remove excess fat. Fry all the dough like this. Now add honey and sugar and start heating until the sugar dissolves. When the masa homogeneous, put the nuts and mix for 2 minutes. All the ingredients are ready. Put them into a bowl, then pour in the hot syrup and mix well. While the syrup is hot, you can mix it with a spatula. You can decorate it with poppy seeds and the sesame seeds. Make molds as desired and put into the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Our dessert is ready. Bon appetit! If you liked the recipe, please like, subscribe and write comments.